Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to share with you another easy recipe, that is chicken patties. Let's begin with the ingredients. I'm going to use around 150 grams of chicken mince. I have 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of green chilies, 1 tablespoon of yellow bell pepper and 1 tablespoon of red bell pepper. I have quarter teaspoon of parsley, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 tablespoon of plain flour and 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoon of oil, mozzarella cheese around 1 cup, and I'll be using puff pastry squares. You can use any store-bought puff pastry. Let's begin with the preparation. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of onion, garlic. Cook it for around 1 or 2 minutes. Add green chili. Add chicken mince and mix. Now we will add salt, crushed red chili and parsley. Add bell pepper, red and yellow. Add 1 teaspoon of water and let it cook for like 2 or 3 minutes with cover. Cook it on very slow flame for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will remove the cover and add the flour. I will add flour. Add milk and mix well. Once the mixture starts thickening in, we will remove it from the stove. Now you can see that the mixture is thickening. Okay, now I will remove it from the stove and I will let it cool for around 15 to 10 minutes. I preheated my oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 15 minutes. Now I will add cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella. Just put on top of the chicken filling. Apply the egg wash. a fork. I will bake the patties for around 15 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade until they are brown from the top. Okay, so after around 20 minutes I have taken them out, and this is the patty look like after baking. Look at the back side, it's all perfectly brown. Let me show you.